Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Apple ID password if you forgot it. If you forgot your Apple ID password, how to reset Apple ID password, without phone number, without email verification. So guys, if you forgot your Apple ID password, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps to reset Apple ID password without password verification. Tap on the settings app and tap on the Apple ID and little bit scroll up to find tap on sign out. Tap on it. You can see appears on screen Apple account password. Enter the Apple account password to turn off Find My iPhone. Enter any wrong password one time and tap on sign out. Turn off. You can see appears on screen verification field. Enter wrong password second time and tap on turn off. You can see appears on screen forgot password. If you forgot your Apple ID account password, you can reset it using your iPhone passcode. Tap on reset password. You can see appears on screen enter iPhone passcode. The passcode you use to unlock this iPhone can also be used to reset your Apple account password. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen enter new password. You can see appears on screen enter the new password and verify password and tap on continue. You can see appears on screen your password has been changed from now. Use your new password to sign into your account. Tap on done. Little bit scroll up. You can see appears on screen could not sign out. If you want to sign out your Apple ID, simply tap on sign out and enter your new password and sign out your Apple ID password and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to reset forgot Apple ID password without phone number and email verification code. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.